What if the most important decision on your flight is not made by the pilot? What if, at 35,000 feet above the Earth, an invisible intelligence is watching every system, every signal, every breath of the aircraft, predicting failures before they exist, avoiding storms before radar sees them, guiding millions of lives safely through the sky? This is not science fiction. This is not the future. This is aviation in 2026. This is the moment artificial intelligence takes over the sky. For more than 100 years, aviation depended on human skill. Pilots trained for years to master flight. Controllers coordinated crowded airspace using radar and radio calls. Airlines planned routes based on experience and forecasts. And it worked. But the world changed. The sky became crowded with thousands of aircraft. Weather patterns grew more extreme. Fuel costs soared. And aircraft systems became too complex for humans to monitor alone. Human judgment was no longer enough. So aviation evolved. By 2026, artificial intelligence is no longer an assistant. It is a core system. Inside modern aircraft, AI processes tens of thousands of data points every second. Engine performance, fuel flow, flight controls, weather data, turbulence forecasts, terrain mapping, traffic movement, and system health are analyzed simultaneously. Where a human sees alerts, AI sees patterns. It notices tiny anomalies, a vibration slightly out of range, a temperature change happening too quickly, a system responding slower than expected. Long before a warning appears, AI already knows something is wrong, and it acts. This does not mean pilots are replaced. It means pilots are enhanced. In 2026, pilots fly with something no generation before them had: total awareness. AI acts as a silent co-pilot. It never gets tired, never loses focus, never stops calculating. While pilots manage strategy and decision-making, AI manages complexity. Together, they form the safest cockpit in aviation history. The transformation begins before the aircraft even leaves the gate. Flight planning has been completely rewritten. Instead of fixed routes planned hours in advance, AI builds dynamic flight paths. It studies live weather systems, jet streams, restricted airspace, congestion, fuel burn, and aircraft weight. The result is a route that evolves in real time. If turbulence forms ahead, the system adapts. If winds shift, the aircraft adjusts. If traffic builds, AI reroutes instantly. Flights become smoother, faster, and more efficient. Passengers may not notice the change, but they feel it. Once airborne, AI continuously monitors the aircraft's health. Every aircraft has its own digital profile. AI learns what normal looks like for that specific plane. When something changes, even slightly, it is detected immediately. Maintenance teams on the ground receive live data during flight. Sometimes before the plane even lands, technicians already know which components need inspection. Problems are fixed before they become failures. Delays drop. Cancellations decrease. Safety improves quietly, invisibly. Air traffic control is also transformed. Traditionally, controllers reacted to aircraft positions as they appeared on radar. In 2026, AI predicts the future. It simulates thousands of possible flight paths, seconds, minutes, and hours ahead. Potential conflicts are identified long before aircraft come close. Controllers no longer chase problems. They prevent them. The sky becomes more organized. Spacing becomes smarter. And safety margins grow wider than ever before. Airports themselves become intelligent systems. AI manages runway scheduling, gate assignments, ground vehicles, baggage handling, and passenger flow. It predicts congestion before it happens and redistributes resources automatically. Flights depart on time. Baggage moves faster. Connections improve. The passenger experience becomes smoother, not because there are fewer people, but because the system thinks ahead. For airlines, AI is nothing short of a revolution. Fuel is the largest operating cost in aviation. Even small efficiency improvements save millions of dollars. AI optimizes speed, altitude, and routing to reduce fuel burn. It schedules aircraft more effectively, balances fleet usage, and predicts passenger demand with remarkable accuracy. Aircraft fly where they are needed, not where schedules guess they might be. Profitability improves. Waste disappears. Operations become precise. Then there is safety, the heart of aviation. Aviation is already the safest mode of transportation. AI pushes it even further. By studying decades of accident reports, near-miss data, system failures, and human error patterns, AI identifies risks humans may overlook. Every flight makes the system smarter. Every landing improves the next one. Safety is no longer static. It evolves. Of course, this shift raises serious questions. Can AI be trusted with human lives? Who is responsible if something goes wrong? How much automation is too much? Aviation authorities across the world are rewriting regulations. AI systems are tested, certified, monitored, and restricted under strict frameworks. One rule remains absolute. Humans stay in command. AI advises. Humans decide. Looking ahead, aircraft are becoming digital platforms as much as machines. Future airplanes are designed to learn from the moment they enter service. Every flight feeds data into a global system, improving efficiency, safety, and performance worldwide. Aviation does not become louder or more chaotic. It becomes calmer, more precise, more intelligent. This is not about replacing pilots. It is about giving them superhuman awareness, better information, faster insight, smarter decisions. By 2026, aviation reaches a turning point. Aircraft no longer simply fly through the sky. They understand it. This is not the future of flight. This is the AI takeover of aviation. And once it begins, there is no going back.